we would love to teach you to code a really fun way using Unity Engine to make 2D games. My name's Ben Tristram, founder of GameDevtv. We genuinely make some of the most popular game development tutorials in the world. And I've teamed up with my friend...
Thanks, Ben. Hi, I'm Rick. I've been teaching people how to make games for more than 10 years. And what I know is that it's really difficult to know where to start when you're learning how to program, learning coding, and learning game development. And what I can assure you, in this course, we make it easy as can be for beginners to jump in and learn how to code and to learn how to make great games.
Don't take our word for it. There's over 40,000 people have taken the time to leave a review for this course, which is amazing. Thank you to those people. And what's more, we're making it even better in the summer of 2018. We're upgrading the entire course to Unity 2018, so all the newest possible content. We have helped thousands of people make real games, and we want you to be one of those. So Rick, how do we do this?
Yeah, we're going to start with the fundamentals for C#, getting you up and running, understanding things like what is a variable, how do you write a method, what are conditionals, how do we do if statements, right from the ground up so you have confidence with those foundations. We're also going to be getting in there and playing around with Unity so that you understand Unity, how does the interface work, what are the different aspects of it, just getting really comfortable in the engine. And the third pillar for this course is the game development, game design aspect of things. So we're going to talk a little bit about the player experience and how do you create something that's going to be enjoyable for someone to play when it's your game. So then
we move on to more advanced C# tools, just when we need them, so that your code can continue to read pretty much like English. Beautiful, clean code, simple solutions. We're going to take a deeper dive into Unity's features, again, as we need them to enhance their player experience, to enhance your learning, to increase the scope of the games that you can make. And we'll really start to think about the architecture of your solutions, how things fit together, how they are aesthetically, how they are functionally. So, Rick, by the end of the course, what can they do?
Yeah, by the end of this course, you will be a 2D ninja. You'll understand the foundations of programming. You'll know how to make an interesting game for players. And like the games that we've got on the screen at the moment, you'll be able to create these sorts of platformers, tower defense games, putting your own creativity to them so that you can really make them your own, stamp your own flair to them, and really flex your muscles as a game developer.
Oh, I'm excited to get going. So look, it really is a vital time to learn to code. So please dive in with us and we'll take care of you.